your framed cabinets are older, the doors may have exposed hinges. Exposed hinges are hinges that can be seen when the cabinet door is shut. When ordering new doors for your kitchen refacing project, you will likely want to replace these old hinges with new soft close concealed hinges like the ones made by Bloom. Measuring for new doors using half-inch overlay hinges is something that any DIYer can do by following these steps. Measure the cabinet opening. Measure and record the width and then the height of the cabinet opening. For framed kitchens, it is important that you measure the cabinet opening rather than the existing cabinet doors. A half overlay door is a half-inch larger on all four sides, or a total of 1 inch wider and 1 inch taller than the cabinet opening it covers. In this example, our opening is 12 inches, so you would order a door that is 13 inches wide. The height of our opening is 27 inches, so our door height would be 28 inches, making for a final door 13 inches wide by 28 inches high using a half overlay hinge. Double door cabinets are those cabinets with openings covered by two doors like our example here. Remember to measure the opening of the cabinet, not the existing doors. Measure and record the width and then the height of the cabinet opening. The size of our cabinet opening is 27 inches wide by 15 inches high. Add the half inch to the top and the bottom of the doors for an overall height of 16 inches. Since we are measuring for two doors, we need to divide the 27-inch width by 2, giving us 13.5 inches. Now add the half-inch overlay to just the hinge side of each door, giving us a width of 14 inches for each door. To ensure the doors don't touch in the middle when closed, our final bit of math is to deduct 1/16 of an inch from the width of each door, giving us a final door size of 15/16 of an inch wide and 16 inches high. Deducting 1/16 of an inch from each door allows for up to a 1/8 of an inch gap between the doors, allowing them to close and not touch in the middle. To keep up to date on our how-to kitchen cabinet refacing content, please comment, like, and subscribe.